Alright, yeah, I decided to make a bike check since it's raining outside and there's nothing else to do. Alright, is right here. This is my Subrosa 2011 Subrosa Trio frame. Right there. See? Tyro or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna start in the front. Alright, you got my shadows. My bad. Subrosa stock bars, Shadow Conspiracy grips. We're gonna move to the stem, Subrosa stem, Subrosa forks, Odyssey quadrant front rim. Right here we got some, I don't know, there's something, I don't know how to pronounce that, but some plastic pedals. They're mismatched. Who gives a fuck? I just want to ride. We got the Subrosa plastic seat. We got the Subrosa stock cranks, Subrosa dial sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. We have the stock Subrosa back rim. Pretty loud, I guess. And that's my bike check.